Can you show your owie to everybody? Your curitas? Can you show me? Oh. There you go. He's like, look what happened to me.
Look what happened to me.
I got a curita. How many shots did you get today?
2.
And how old are you?
4.
And you went to the dentist today?
Yeah. And I wanted to get 4 shots. Now she didn't give me 4 shots.
How many did she get you?
2.
You wanted more?
Yeah, I wanted to 1 and to 2 and to 3 and to 4. Because I'm 4 years old.
Yeah.
And when I get shot again,
¿Y qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso?
with ice cream.
Were you good today?
Yeah.
Ew. Say bye.
Bye.
Mucho gusto.
Bye.
No, dilo bien.
Mucho gusto.
All right, bye.